Welcome again. Today's lesson is going to be on 3 by 1 digit mental multiplication. In another sense, it's the traditional way of doing multiplication. So here we have our question of 384 times 7. Now, what we're going to do first is, just like addition, subtraction, we're going to be working from the right to the left. So the right digits first, all the way to the left. So the ones column, the tens column, and then finally the hundreds column. So that means that we're going to start with 7 times 4. And we only have to do the single digit multiplication. So 7 times 4. What we're going to do is we're going to calculate that. And in our head, we're going to think 7 times 4, or 4 times 7, and that equals 28. Now, what we're going to do is with that 28, we're going to take the second digit of the 28 and we're going to put it under the 4 and the 7. So that's going to represent our ones column. Now what we're going to do with the 2 is we're going to put it off to the side just above the tens, and we're going to keep that. Now, we're not going to do it as we did with addition, but we're just going to keep that to the side and we're going to go on to the next step. Now, the next step is 7 times 8. But it's not actually 7 times 8. It's going to be 7 times 8 plus 2. Okay? So 7 times 8 plus 2, we just have to do with the 7 times 8, and that is 56. So 7 times 8 is 56. And in our head, we're going to be doing that, and we're going to add 2 to it. And that is 58. Now, once again, we're going to take the back digit of the 2-digit answer, which is 58, and we're going to put that digit underneath the 8 in our tens column. And we're going to take the 5 from our 2-digit number, and we're going to place it on top of the 3. Now remember, the second step is adding that 5 layers. So, in our final step, we're going to be doing 7 times 3. And of course, we have to think in our head that it's actually 7 times 3 plus 5. So, the first thing we do, 7 times 3, that is 21. And then we have to add the 5. And when we have that, we have our final answer of 26. So finally, we can write down 26 as our final answer, and it's 2,688. So with each step, you're doing all of this, all these operations in your head. So you would go 7 times 4, you put the back digit as 8, you keep the 2 on top over the 8, over here, then you do 7 times 8 plus 2, you use the back digit, which is 56 plus 2 equals 58, you have your 8, your 5 goes up on top over the 3, then you do 7 times 3 plus 5, which is 21 plus 5 equals 26, and we have our final answer of 2,688.